Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is All Things Livy, and today I'm going to show you how you can style this ugly basic top. So I'm going to turn around. That is how it looks from the back. We're wearing a pair of black jeans, so we're going to style it with these jeans. The first style I'm going to show you is basically one, simply doing this. Pull it over your shoulders, tuck this in so that we don't see that ugly part. Tuck that in. Okay, let's make sure it's tucked in very well. All right. So basically that is style number 1. So we can also do this. We can tuck in these the sleeves. We can shorten them. So I'm going to do that. So you can simply do that. Have this. This is one of my favorites. So clearly, let me know which one is your favorite and which I should wear, because I'm stepping out in a few, which style I should wear this top. So this is the second option. I can do this. The third option is basically one shoulder. Give me a minute. Ooh. So yeah. So I'm going to tuck this in so that you don't see that arm popping out. I want to make sure it's properly tucked in. So this is option number 3. So we have like one arm. Oh, this is amazing. So you can do that. You can still tuck in this arm so that it looks like that. You can pull it a bit. Personally, I like doing it this way so that it's more on, you know, an off-shoulder side. So you can either leave it up here, you can pull it down. So that is another style. We have, that is a third styling. We have the fourth styling. I'll put both arms down. So give me a minute. Yeah, this is the fourth style. So this is something else you can do with this top. You can wear it like this. So whichever works for you. It has so many options. On a personal note, I would like, if I'm to do this, if I'm to do the off shoulder, I would have to wear a necklace with it. But this is like my favorite, the off shoulder situation. So from the back, that is how it looks like. This is how it looks like from the front. So these are literally 4 different ways you can style this one ugly top. So basically, we're going to step out and I'm going to leave it. That I'm going to wear a heel. I'm going to put a simple necklace. Give me a minute. Let me come back and do that for you. The back, these are the earrings I chose. I'm going to wear this necklace. So these are the shoes we're wearing with the top. Then we're holding our Aldo bag. I don't like the strap because I'm all looking, you know, all well put together. The strap looks very casual. So what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to open it. Actually, I can even leave it. I'm going to tuck it into the bag to give it that extra look. So basically, I'll do this so you'll not be able to see it, and then I'll hold the chain instead. Yeah, this is I'm going to hold my beautiful bag with my amazing shoes. I'm going to take a picture and I'll insert it right there for you to see how this looks like. Make a choice which outfit works. Sorry, which styling style works for you. Let me know. Leave it in the comments below. Have an amazing day. Bye.